I got some guppy fishes in my garden. So this fishes tank I would like to change a little bit different.
Being always open pot, birds are always attacking them. To make them secure, here's an idea. This pot has only some water lettuce.
If you're new to this YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's make something different.
This old water plant you can throw away, but you can use also this one as your regular plant soil.
Here the smallest floating water plants we have collected from an old pond which is nearby to us. The duckweeds, water hyacinth, watermeal, water lectute plants are common. The plastic circle is here pretending to floating on water, and this will create some space here in between water plants and water. There the fishes can come and breathe. If anything attacks them, then they can disappear into the water plants.